Namaskar. Now let's see about Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana. Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana is one of favorite asanas when we give our students in Traditional Fitness Universe. Traditional Fitness Universe, our Tamil channel, we regularly take online yoga classes. English channel and English we are giving for the first time here. So, Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana, it immediately energizes our body. During our demo classes, we make people do Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana. Interest in yoga increases. Traditional fitness, traditional art is yoga. Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana, it relieves stiffness in the back region and also it makes our spine flexible. During Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana, thoracic breathing automatically happens, and that's the reason which is combined with physical movement makes our body and breath, which is energy, our aura, and also our mind in tune. So immediately we feel a change in our body. Coming to contraindications, people with back conditions. We mean the back conditions is chronic back pain and slip disc bulge. Those people should not do this asana. And as generally we say, injury and surgery, which is common contraindication for all the asanas. Now let's see how to do this asana. Namaskar. From this Prarambhik Sthiti, which is starting pose for Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana. Now we should start by separating both the legs as wide and comfortable as possible. After completing this step, now we should inhale and raise both the legs till shoulder level distance. Hands must not go up, neither down. It should be parallel to our shoulders like this. Palms facing front. Chest upwards and spine erect. From here, exhale and bend towards one side of the body. Now, we are touching our left toe with our right hand and we should gaze to the left middle finger. Inhale and come back. Exhale and do the same to the other side of our body. Inhale and come back. This completes one round. Now let's do 4 more rounds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can relax in relaxative pose.
No.
Now we have did 5 rounds. As we get adapted to this pose, we should increase it by day to 10 rounds, 20, 30, as much as we can. Thank you.